Anybody's value is where he is committed to. Uncommitted person has no value. I ask a person, a man is there, I ask, what work you do? And he says, I don't do anything. You serve your parents? That also I don't know. Do. You do any business? No. What you do? I do nothing. Now, when you know that he does nothing, then what do you mean? That means he is not committed to any place. Anybody's value is where he is committed and how much he is committed to things. Not where he is attached. When I say committed, it means there should be some altar where he can live and die for. Is there a place where he is able to forget himself? Is there a place where he can do anything? And more is the commitment towards, and commitment cannot be something lower. Because lower thing is bound by my own desires, by my own ahankar, by my own attachments. I do this thing because I like it. Commitment is for something bigger, higher, loftier, where I don't bother about my desire. It doesn't matter my desires are fulfilled or not. My comforts are there or not. Behind many happy people, there is one committed person. Where there is no commitment, you cannot do anything big. You have to do something, you have to continue with that. Commitment is something you hold on to something bigger. Just because it is big, it gives you joy in giving, in sacrificing, in surrendering. If a person is not vrati, he is not having the vrat. Vrat doesn't mean Somvar vrat, Mangalvar vrat, Navratra vrat, not eating. Vrat is a kind of vow that I have, that this ideal I won't leave at any cost. And I'll follow the rules of that ideal. A person has no value actually. He has no stand, because remember, whom I am committed to, that alone saves us. When I am committed to country, country also tries to look me after. Any relation, if it is not based on commitment, that relation have no charm. You don't know when this person will leave me. Any relation, if it is not based on commitment, that relation is very flimsy. You are just living in the doubt all the time. Then I don't know this person, what will happen to him and when he will do what and he will leave it and go away. Commitment is that in spite of you do anything, I won't leave you. And the fruit of commitment is such that it gives tremendous big fruits.